So we come to the next topic, concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution. Right. Now concentration of a solution. What is the concentration of a solution? Concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute divided by amount of solvent. Okay, so what is concentration of solute? Concentration of solute is amount of solute by amount of solvent. Now, from this we understand that the amount of that is the proportion of solute and solvent in a concentration can be varied. Okay, that means it can be of different proportion also, right? Now, depending on the amount of solute which is present in the solvent, okay, that is depending on the amount of solute. Solute was which one? Solute was sugar, iodine, all these were solute. So depending on the solute which is present in the solution, right, we can it can be called into three types. One is dilute solution, one is concentrated solution, the other one is saturated solution. So first is dilute solution, right? So what is dilute solution? In dilute solution, okay, the amount of solute is less. Okay, in dilute solution the amount of solute is less. In concentrated solution, the amount of solute is more. Okay, the amount of solute is more, and this too can be, and your dilute and concentrated solution are comparative, because here it is less, here it is more. Okay, so it can be compared. The third type that we have is saturated solution. Now, what is saturated solution? Saturated solution means that when no more of the solute, okay, no more of the solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature. So a temperature is given to you and you cannot add any more of the solute in the solution. That is called saturated solution, right? And along with that you have one more, that is called unsaturated solution. So when saturated means the amount of solute that can be dissolved in a solvent at a given temperature, that is called saturated. Now what will be unsaturated? Unsaturated will be the opposite, that is if the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than the saturation level, it is called unsaturated solution, right? So this is how we calculate the concentration of solution. Now there are various ways by which we can express the concentration of solution, but here we will be doing only two methods. We will be doing two methods of how to express the concentration of solution. Now method one is, what is method one? Method one is by mass by mass. Mass by mass. And the second one will be mass by volume. Okay, so mass by mass, percentage of a solution. Of a solution, right? Mass by mass, percentage of a solution will be how much? Equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, right? Because we are finding out the percentage. And the second one is what I said, mass by volume, percentage of a solution. How do we find out that? We find it out by mass of solute by mass of volume, because we are finding out volume, mass of volume into 100. Sorry, volume of solution. Sorry, volume of solution by into 100. Right? So, what are the two methods that we have learned here to express concentration of a solution? First is mass by mass, percentage of a solution. That is, first we are taking out by mass, second we are taking out by volume. Right? So, what is the formula for mass by mass percentage of a solution? It is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. And mass by volume percentage of a solution, mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Right? So, in your textbook page number 17, there is a word problem given. Look into your textbook page number 17. What is given there is a solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Okay. So, what is the content of common salt? It is 40 gram. What is the content of water? 320 gram. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. Right. So, first let us take what is given. It is given mass of solute. So, salt is a solute, right? Salt, sugar, all these are solute. So, mass of the solute is, it is salt. Okay. So, how much it is given? It is given 40 gram, right? And then mass of solvent. Solvent is what? Water, because we are mixing it in water. It is already given to you. The water content is 320 gram. Right? Now, here in the while I have explained you the methods to express concentration of a solution, there I have shown that we know that mass by mass of solution is how much? We have done, no? Mass of solute, plus mass of solvent. Right? So, how much is mass of solute for you? Mass of solute is 40 gram and mass of solvent is 320 gram. So, how much did we get? We got here 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 360 gram. Right? But this is not what has been asked to us. To us it is asked calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage. Okay. So, therefore, mass percentage of solution is how much? Equals to, what was the formula for this? It was mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Right? This was the first method. So, mass of solute is how much? 40 gram. Right? Mass of solution is how much? 360 gram into 100. So, now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Right? So, how much we got? We got 100 by 9. So, when we divide 100 by 9, how much do we get? 9 1s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, again 9 1s are 9, a point here 0, 9 1s are 9, right? So, it will keep on going like that. So, instead of doing that, we take it as 11.1%, right? So, this is what is solved in your textbook also. So, this was about concentration of a solution. Next, we come to the topic, what is a suspension?